Welcome to Backyard Plus. In this video, we show you how to replace the skimmer blade in a 2014 to 2022 hot spring spa. If your skimmer blade is not traveling up and down, there is a good chance that it needs replacing. Before we get started, let's go over the tools and parts you will need. Tools you will need: Phillips head screwdriver. Parts you will need: 77236 skimmer weir blade. Step 1. Remove the filters in front of the skimmer weir blade. Step 2. Loosen the two screws holding the skimmer weir assembly in place. Step 3. Remove the old skimmer weir blade from the track. Step 4. Install the new skimmer weir blade into the track. Step 5. Reinstall the two screws into the skimmer weir assembly. Good job! Thanks for watching! Our goal here at Backyard Plus is to save you money by avoiding costly service calls for repairs that you could easily do by yourself. If you have any questions or need to place an order, feel free to give us a call at 805-541-9000 or visit us online at backyardplus.com.